Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video brought to you by Freelancer School. My name's Taylor Keene, and today we're just going to go over real quickly why I think the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the best phone for any freelancer, marketer, advertiser, CEO. I don't care who you are. If you want more screen space, this is the phone to do it. Samsung has been developing their phones, especially the foldables, for a very long time, which is why you won't catch me with another flip phone or a foldable phone. And at the end of the day, I used to work at Apple, be an Apple genius, and I need a little more freedom than Apple likes to give when you're just restricted into an ecosystem like that. And I love Apple, I do. I think Apple's actually great for a lot of people, but not for me. So I opened up Spotify. We're right here from my main screen. If we want to go back, we can open it up real quick. Boom. It's going to show you my most recently used app. You can use the pen and like say what you want there. Of course, sometimes I have terrible handwriting to begin with, so I'm going to click delete. You can also not use your pen while you're using your pen and click on this for a little, collapsible keyboard, which is nice. I'm going to click out of that real quick. Our emojis are there as well. Yeah, that's pretty handy, but let's just open up Spotify. So I like Spotify open on my phone usually, but now I want to open more apps. So I'm gonna click this. This is gonna bring up like a pop-up panel to open up any of your other apps. Pretty simple. We are going to open up Google Calendar. So I'm gonna click and hold. Once you're clicking and holding, you can move to these sections. So you can either, like right now, you can do split screen either way. This side, you can go up or down if you like it more like that, or you can just do like a pop-up view. So we'll start with pop-up view. Then you can click on this and you can make it bigger if you want to make it bigger, blah, 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 blah. But I'm gonna double tap on that right there. And then you're gonna have some options. So it's good, that option you saw before when I was dragging it around. You could expand it all the way, close it all the way, minimize it more. But we're gonna choose that. So already, that's amazing. I feel like I can't believe I have this much screen space. And you can play a song. I'm not gonna play that, so my audio doesn't get muted right now. But yeah, very handy. Now, if you wanna open up another app, we're gonna scroll up again. We're gonna click on this thing. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna see if I can do this time one-handed. Asana. So Asana is my project manager. Now, maybe I want Asana here. Now, first off, I know like some of you will be like, this is too small, but you can drag and drop these by like this. So if you wanted to show it a little smaller, it's pretty hard to do like that, but you could also go the other way. And then also you can go this way, left or right, depending on what you're doing, which for Asana is never going to be a good thing for me. So we're going to go right here. Now, when you click it, you can click this star icon to save it. Where that saves it is going to be in this bottom right bar. I have one saved. That is these three basically. So even if I clicked this right now, it's just going to switch it to what I originally had. But you can click this again, and you can switch your orientations however you like, which does make it handy. Now, if we wanted to do a fourth app, sometimes with Asana it gets a little weird, but we'll see what happens. Maybe here, Instagram. So I want Instagram, and maybe I want Instagram to be here. And let's go here. So that's gonna open it all the way. Now I'm gonna go back, of course this, and we can go back easily here. And I'm gonna do this again. See how Instagram's right there? You can do it however you want. I don't know why it's being weird about going into 4 sections right now. Maybe I have to be like perfectly even, which could be the case. So say I want to see Instagram here. Now, using your pen, you can click on this little pen icon on the bottom right over here. Brings out this. If you want to add more things you can do, you totally can, but I'm going to go Smart Select because as a social media manager, which some of you freelancers might be, you might need to use it. So basically, maybe Spotify's playing. I want to just bring this down. I'm using Smart Select. Let's see if I can actually, let's cancel this real quick. Okay, so I closed it. Sorry, it took a little bit of time there, but we're gonna just find a post, and especially, I don't know about you guys or ladies, but a lot of times I used to post things, and then, you know, if you don't have a correct Asana or like a project management system for a client approval, you might need to take down a post, but you might need to access certain things about the post. Like, you don't want to write if you wrote a freaking paragraph, you probably don't want to write it again, and we all know you can't copy and paste from Instagram. So what you're going to do is you're going to click your, there we go, I got my little pen icon again. We're going to click Smart Select. Now I can go and do this. And yeah, if you wanted to bring it a little bigger, you could too. So like maybe it's maybe we don't go with that one, but we go here. So we'll go Smart Select one last time. Boom. And then you can choose what you want. Like I might do like a freehand draw. Oh shit. All right, so yeah, we had Smart Select selected. Then you can choose which ones you want. So like this is just where you drag a box over it, circle. You want to make a GIF, you want to pin something, overlay it so you could like retype it if you wanted to. But I hate making extra steps when they are not needed. So we're gonna take this. Now I'm gonna draw around what I actually want to copy. So I'm like that sometimes wouldn't be good, but we're gonna keep going. And if you could click more and have it be a massive paragraph. Again, I'm just trying to show you the easiest possible way. Okay, now I've got this, and you can see that there is this little text T right here. So I'm gonna click that, if I can hit it without, boom. Now, you can either add it to a note, copy all, translate. It might be helpful if you're like looking at other things, but I'm gonna go copy. And now if I wanted to make an Instagram post, let's just go next. And we'll go next. And say you wanted to add that caption. Now all I'm doing is gonna hold, of course, trying to draw again. This thing really likes drawing. But let's just use my hands. You see me all up close and personal. So I'm gonna click delete. And then what I'm gonna do is basically just hold down like a normal phone. You can see it's right there, brought by my bad phone, brought by my boy Flow Designs to get Scratch Nasty on the decks with me. This is the Duo U, so it copied it perfectly. That again, like maybe not always needed, but I do like that you can just like see other things, create notes off of it instantly, and it makes it really cool. You're getting to see what my keyboard looks like. You don't have to have your keyboard like this. I'm 5'9" and don't have the most massive hands in the world, so I think this is at least cool for you to be able to see that. They also have Samsung AI. So if I wanted to like change my writing style now, I could easily change my tone, which I have like, you can switch between original, professional, casual, social, polite, or emojify, which is nice, especially if you're just trying to write things fast, like respond to emails, things like that. And if you just write your thoughts like me, this can make it a little faster and not have to go have like AI or ChatGPT write something for me, and then go copy and paste that into the email. So that is pretty cool. Now, additionally, besides like the rotations and things like that, what you can do that I like is you can use this thing called flex mode. So like, let's get that out of there. So what you could do is we could do something like, maybe I just want to open up my Google Calendar, or let's just say even Instagram.
And today we're going to talk about why I think the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is currently the best phone for freelancers.
Let's get out of this. So yeah, I'm going to go Instagram.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to...
Let's glitching out a little bit, but it's okay. I'm using cameras and things all over the place. But now, if you wanted to, you know, I can see my whole calendar, but if you want to flip it and do this, you can also use your, I guess you can see my touchpad, but when I flipped it in half right there, and I have mine set to auto show this dock basically. So you can do really easy things. You know, you might want to screen the left-hand side over there. Just did a little screenshot with that button. You can adjust your settings over here with these 3 dots. Display brightness, volume, more settings. I can click that. Open up another app if I wanted to, again below, but yep, it's always gonna switch back to this. Now, I do like this, it is nice, it is kind of fun. I don't even know, like, it's not the most screen space, but I do enjoy like either using my 2 fingers or my pen. Either way, it's like a mouse touchpad. You can even like hook this up to be like your computer touchpad too as well. Not gonna do that today. But overall, I just want you to see how useful this phone can be. Your iPhone doesn't look like this. And you are making a grave mistake unless you use everything Apple. Like if you're Apple ecosystem, you're a person that needs your Apple Watch, your Apple computer, Apple everything. You like getting your messages on all those things, that's fine. I use a Windows ROG M16 laptop, and I have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, and I have a Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. So like I have my messages on my computer with Google Messages, and I get my text messages to my watch still. So, and my watch looks like a normal watch. Don't you love it? So overall, I know this is a little lengthy. I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful day, freelancers. It is Friday where I'm at right now, and it's summertime around the corner, and I'm gonna go on a date with my beautiful fiance. We'll catch you next time.